I run a small business. It's called Best of Us Investors. It's built around this YouTube channel as well as our website where people pay to see my portfolio, to see how I analyze stocks, things of that nature. At this point, it's about a $360,000 a year business, and I want to grow it to $1 million business. And I have figured out how to do that using Microsoft and Google's products, BART and ChatGPT. And I don't want to show you how to use ChatGPT or BART. You can see that on tutorials all over the internet. What I want to do today is show you exactly how I'm going to triple the size of my business over the next year. And that's what this is all about.
Best of Us Investors presents Kerry Griegmeyer.
I think this is valuable information to small businesses. There are 33,185,000 small businesses in the United States. They employ 61.7 million Americans, and that represents 46% of the private sector workforce. So it's important that small businesses know how to grow themselves. And through the advent of artificial intelligence, I believe that you can grow your business if you know how to use them. So let's get into it. Here's my plan and here's my goals. I need to grow my subscriber count from 180,000 to 600,000 over the next year. I need to grow my tribe count from 1,200 to 3,600 over the next year. How do I do that? Do I just continue to make more videos and hope that people find me and the algorithm works for me? No, I need to take some proactive action. And my proactive action is I'm going to hire Google and Microsoft to grow my business for me. But I'm not going to be paying much of a fee to do it. Let me explain. I have decided I need to expand my reach. That is, make more people know about my business. So I need to hire a public relations company who will reach out and grow my business for me. But I don't want to spend any money on a public relations company. That would probably cost me something in the neighborhood of $3,000 a month. I don't want to do that. So I'm going to hire Google and Microsoft to do it for me. Here's what I mean. I want to do interviews and podcasts and other YouTube collaborations. I want magazine articles and blogs written about me and my YouTube channel. I want to get an article, a podcast, or a blog written or a YouTube collaboration once a week. So I need 52 collaborators. What I did was go to Bart and say, Bart, this is what I want to do. I want to build my YouTube business. This is what it's about. And who are the 52 best collaborators that I could work with? What Bart gave me was the list of the best bloggers who match with my genre, the best YouTubers who match with my genre, and the best podcasts. So I have those 52 names. What I then did was ask both Bart and ChatGPT to write me 52 letters to these 52 people that are specific to them, that relate what I want to do, that tell about me and my channel, and put them out. What I found is ChatGPT is better at that than Bart. So ChatGPT wrote me the 52 letters. I asked then for Chat and Bart to find me their email addresses and their mailing addresses. They did that for me. I didn't hire a firm to do this. I asked Bart and Chat to do it for me. I then asked them to write me a letter specifically to the 52 different people. I then emailed that and sent it out snail mail to those 52 people. Then I asked Google Workplace to set me up a drip campaign using Gmail to the 52 people and compose me follow-up letters that would continue to put my story in front of them and then to help me set up appointments to either do interviews or collaborative videos. Okay, that is my public relations firm that is basically being done by Microsoft's ChatGPT and Google's Workplace. Now what I wanted to do was to develop a program that delivered timely information to my 1,200 subscribers to my tribe. All right. What I have in mind is that I have some charts that basically update on a regular basis of the stocks in my Bus 12 and my Bus 13 portfolio. I want to put those charts in the hands of my 1,200 people on a timely basis. So I have asked Google Workplace to go in and write a letter to my 1,200 people, a personal letter explaining the charts and what I do with them each week, and then deliver that email to those 1,200 people on every weekend for any updates that I do in my Google Sheets. So I'm keeping my tribe members abreast with everything that changes. It's available on the website, but I want to deliver it through an email, and Google Workplace is going to do that for me. I hope if either you're an online business or a brick and mortar business, even a supermarket, a Piggly Wiggly, you should have the email addresses of everybody who comes through your store. And then you should have ChatGPT or Bart write you a weekly letter to alert your clients as to what you're doing special to separate you from other people. You don't have to hire somebody to do it. I used to be in the real estate business. We used to talk about our sphere of influence and how we have to communicate with them. Well, how do you do that? Bart and Chat will do that for you. Take what I'm doing and apply it to your business. I mean, even if you're a hardware store, again, you need to know who's coming through your checkout. Get their email address. Get Chat and Bart, Google and Microsoft to help you communicate with your clients. If you're an online business, same thing. Just do exactly what I'm doing, and then I will teach you in the future how to create the avatar I'm talking about so that you can actually talk to them just like this, and it's really not you. Okay? That's what I can help you with. But let's go further. My plan for the future is then to ask Google and Bart to write me scripts for my daily videos. That's right. I will say, this is the subject. These are the things I want to cover. Write the script. Now, take that script and put it in the voice of my avatar, my voice, and create the video. Now, go and create a thumbnail for that video, upload it on YouTube every morning so that video comes out. All I'm going to have to do is tell them the subject, give them some points. They'll write the video, they'll create the video, they'll create the thumbnail, and they'll put it on YouTube. I'll then ask them to make a 1-minute short on each of those videos every day, and then I'm going to ask them to upload that video onto TikTok, onto Instagram, onto LinkedIn, and onto Facebook, and then also take that short and put it into an email and send it to the 30,000 email contacts that I have. This is how I'm going to then broaden my reach so that I can grow my business from $360,000 a year to $1 million. The other thing that will happen as a result of that is I will have the ability to basically walk away from the business, or what will eventually happen, die. And the business will continue because this face will continue to speak, but it will speak through an avatar and you won't know the difference. Okay? So Kerry, and best of us investors, will live on forever. That's my plan on how to grow my business this year from $360,000 to $1 million, and then to perpetuate it beyond my lifetime. This is what artificial intelligence is all about. And wait, there's more. Because right after artificial intelligence comes AGI, Artificial General Intelligence. And what that is I don't have to even think that the Google Workplace will wake me up in the morning and say, Kerry, have you thought about doing this? Have you thought about doing this? This is a new skill that I have developed. This is general intelligence. This is Kerry coming down in the morning, not having to write the script, them writing the script and putting it all together. And all I do is push buttons. That's what's coming. Now, what I want you to do is take what I just walked you through as to how I'm going to use artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, BART, and Google's Workplace today to grow my business. I want you to take what I just taught you and apply it to your business. Sit down and think, how can I take what he just said and apply it to my business? All right? If you have some questions, put them in the comments. If you want to exchange some ideas, come join our tribe. We meet every Friday on a Zoom call. We'll probably become a Google call in the very near future. And we ask questions and we learn from each other. That's what I'm here to do. I'm here to help you make better investment decisions as well as build your business. I'm here to help you learn the tax code so that you can pay less in taxes and keep more of what you make. And then I'm here to help you build family wealth. And what I just explained to you is how I'm going to build a $1 million business in the next year that will grow to a $10 million year of business, and it will survive me. Okay? That's what's available to you. That's what I want to help you do. So come join the tribe. How do you join the tribe? You get on the bus. And here's how you do that.